Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. So in today's video we are going to talk about the in detail review of a smartwatch from Noise, that is Noise Color Fit Pro 2. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. So let's start the review of this one, and the good news is this watch had a shortcoming, like you were not able to customize the watch faces earlier, but now with the latest update of the operating system in this one, they have enabled that, and I'll show you in the end of the video like how you can customize your watch. So guys, I have been using this smartwatch for more than 6 months now, and I have already done the unboxing of the smartwatch. I will leave the link in the description. You can just go ahead and watch that if you haven't watched that video. So now we will discuss like in-depth review of this watch, like what are all the good things about this one and what are all the bad. So let's talk about what are all the good things about this one. So first and foremost, the build quality and the weight of this watch is quite light, so it makes it easier to wear for everyday purpose, and the straps are also made up of good quality, so it also feels comfortable. So guys, the main selling point of this watch is it actually looks like the cheaper version of the Apple Watch, and I must say at provided the price point, it actually looks quite good. The body is made up of plastic material and hence it is light in weight, but it looks quite premium. And at the back we have the heart rate sensor, which monitors your heart. There are settings by which you can set it to automatic heart rate on, by which it will automatically calculate your heartbeats at specific interval of time. Then we have all the basic functionalities, like we have various workout mode in this one, and it saves all the stats, and you can sync all the stats with your smartphone. We have an app called as Noise. So guys, let's try to find out like how much time does it takes to fully charge, because this is one of the important aspect for a smartwatch. So as you can see, my smartwatch is fully discharged, so I'll just try to connect it to the charger, and then we'll start the stopwatch, and then we'll try to find out like how much time does it takes. So first I'll connect the charger here. So I have connected the charger, and as you can see, it has started charging, and at the same time I'll also turn on the stopwatch, and then we'll see like how much time does it take to fully charge. So let's see how much time does it take to fully charge. So guys, as you can see, the watch is almost 99% charged, and the timing is around 1 hour 30 minutes. So roughly we can say it takes around 90 minutes to fully charge it once it is at 0%. So yeah, that is what it is there. And the battery, once it is fully charged, it lasts around 10 to 12 days. I'll discuss about that in a while. So the smartwatch is also IP68 certified, so which makes it waterproof, so you can it is sweat proof, and in some slight rains you can just wear it. You can even dip it to some extent in the water, but not more than 1 meter for more than 30 minutes. So that is also a good point provided at the price point. And I will also leave a link in the description, and you can just buy that the smartwatch from that link, and you'll get some extra discount. And this is a good time to buy this because it is available at much cheaper this time, and with the other offers ongoing in the sale, you can get it at much cheaper rate. So that is something good. And the other good thing is that this one is a Indian company. I know there have been a lot of issues these days between Chinese companies. So unlike Realme, Oppo and other smartwatches which are there right now in market, I would still prefer we all go with Noise, because this is an Indian company. Even though some would argue that few of the parts would be coming in from China, but then there are no companies who is not making or who is not exporting few of the parts from China. So I think this is a good alternative so far, and all the features which have been mentioned in this one are good at the given price point. I mean, of course, you cannot compare this one with the Apple Watch because there is a huge difference in the price, but then it does all the basic works. I mean, all the stats are accurately logged, footstep is properly monitored, heart rate is properly calculated, and it also gives you sedentary alert, like if you are sitting for more than half an hour and if you have not done any activity, so it will give you a alert that you need to do some activity. And apart from that, it tracks your sleep as well, so you can just wear your watch and sleep at night, and then it will calculate like how much hours you slept in the night. And apart from that, there are some basic other features, like you can turn on the notifications and you can get all your WhatsApp and text messages notification in the smartwatch itself. So now let's talk about few of the things which are not good in this one. So the first and foremost is display is not that good. I mean, of course we cannot expect much from the given price point, but still the display could have been better. Apart from that, there is no mention of the protection on the screen. I mean, this is definitely not a Gorilla Glass, so maybe you'll have to use it carefully, otherwise it is prone to get scratches. So this is also something not that good in this one. Apart from that, in I mean daylight, if you go in the bright sun, then you may face few of the difficulties in accessing it, and also the touch is not that smooth. I mean, as I have already mentioned, like in the given price point it is definitely good, but still at times you can feel the lag in this one. So that is a few of the things which are not that good. Also, even though we have the capability to turn on the music on and off and switch to different songs, but the thing is the navigation is quite difficult for this one. I mean, like if the screen is locked, once again you have to open it and then you have to take the actions. There is no tap to wake and so on features in this one. But in all, if you talk about this watch, the build quality, the performance, the feature which it has, and the pricing, so I'll still recommend this one if you are looking for a smart watch. I mean, it is far better than a smart band, I mean, in all aspects. And the pricing is also right now there is, with the price cut, this is available for 2,999, and with few of the ongoing offers you can even get it at more cheaper. So I think this is the right time by which you can buy this one if you are thinking or if you are planning to buy some smart watch. So this may be one of the option which you can consider. I will leave the link in the description and you can just go ahead and buy the watch at a much cheaper rate from that link. So guys, that's pretty much for the in-depth review of the Noise Color Fit Pro 2 watch. So hope you like this video. If you have any questions, query or suggestions, please drop in the comment section below. So guys, now let's talk like how we can customize the watch face. So for that one, you need to go on to the settings and then you just need to click on dial. So pre-installed there are 5 faces, but now you can see there is a 6th option which is available. So already 5 watch faces are already there, and this is the image of Rocky, and which I have selected. So if I want to select this one, I'll just click on it, and by default it will be my home screen. So if you guys want to know like how we can enable this feature, so subscribe to our channel and I'll be making a special video about that one in which I will tell you like how you can update your smartwatch OS and how you can enable this feature. And with the help of this, you can customize your smartwatch. I mean, any face which you want, you can just set it as your wallpaper, and then that would be displayed on the watch face. So that is pretty much for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, so for any reason, so please hit like because it motivates me to create such video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, so please consider subscribing to our channel. So that is pretty much for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next